Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 5 and we consist of 5 members, which is FATEN HANANI, NURUL'AIN, NURUL'AIN SYAFIQAH, Muhammad Lukman, and lastly myself, Muhammad ZAQUAN. In this video, we have a few sections to explain. The first is Introduction, issue of construction project development, solutions to overcome the issues, and conclusion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am NURUL'AIN BINTI IBRAHIM and I will present on the introduction part of construction technology. Due to construction activities, there has been a lot of issues occurs, causing the environmental effects such as pollutions of air, noise, waste disposal, and more. The reasons to this problem most definitely came from the improper waste management practices in construction projects, construction workers' attitudes, non-sustainable technology and materials. Engineer plays important role in the construction project as they need to follow the ethics such as prioritizing the public safety, health, welfare in the performance of their professional duties. Construction technology refers to the collection of innovative tools, machinery, modifications, software, and etc. used during the construction phase of a project that enables advancement in field construction methods. On top of that, construction technology used in should have sustainable value to contribute to economy development, living standards, and well-being, as well as its social development environment. On this slide, I will highlight the problem occurs in construction resulted to pollution. One of the issue is illegal dumping due to waste disposal from construction. It is the deposition of waste onto the land which is against the law. Due to that, there will be negative impacts to environment such as unbalanced ecology, energy consumption, and waste generation. It will also lead to ecology corruption and danger to general well-being. The figure in the slide shows one of the illegal dumping construction waste site in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SHUHADA binti Abu Bakar. I will continue with the second issue, which is high noise level. Several factors cause the noise pollution at construction site. Development sound produced by the machineries or by manual labor, such as piling, welding, pounding, hammering, or even transporting materials. The type or stages of the job taking place at the construction site determine the quantity of noise coming to and leaving the site over a specific period of time. Different jobs require different tools or equipment to complete the work. This demonstrates that there is a variety of noises present at the building site that contribute to the noise pollution. According to the studies, construction workers are more negatively impacted by the noise pollution at the construction site than the general public or surrounding home. This noise pollution had resulted in more than 500,000 workers being exposed to the condition that could harm them.
Hi, my name is FATEN HANANI. Moving on to the next point, which is construction project activities are also a large contributor to air pollution. It is a man-made pollutant that is emitted into the atmosphere. Some of the activities causing this pollution include the use of plants and vehicles on site. The government does not control equipment used on construction sites to the same extent as it does to the other vehicles. Due to the size of many construction projects, machinery frequently runs for extended periods of time while emitting pollution. Many of the heavy equipment components and other on-site vehicles rely on diesel engines, which release pollutants into the atmosphere. The gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons are included in this. Next is land clearing and demolition. High volumes of dust are produced during both building development and when existing structures are dismantled, which disturbs the land. Construction dust is categorized as PM10, which is invisible to the naked eye particle matter with a diameter of less than 10 microns. According to research, PM10 thoroughly penetrates the lungs and contributes to a variety of health issues, including bronchitis, asthma, and even cancer. Based on an article, construction workers' health can suffer major harm from construction dust, and if exposed for an extended period of time, they may even die.
Hi, my name is Lukman Irsyad. Next, for the fifth issue, we know that the cut and fill process for any construction project will require more soil to fill the area that needs to be filled. Areas that have been designated are mostly not managed in a proper way, and this activity will have impacts on the environment in terms of land pollution. In addition, this activity has also caused trees to be cut down and caused flash floods in certain areas, especially near the construction site, and also will cause soil erosion. Soil erosion is one of the top 10 global soil threats in the world.
There are a lot of construction technologies that can be used to overcome the issues occurred in construction, as nowadays there are advancements in technology making. It will benefit the construction industry itself by reducing, reusing, and recycling the materials, and able to reduce carbon emissions by avoiding the burning of these materials. 3D concrete printer is one of the examples. 3D concrete printer is an additive manufacturing to create building and construction components in completely new shape that were previously impossible to achieve with traditional concrete formwork. It is being used in homes, architectural features, and construction projects. The benefits of it are it is less time-consuming, less expensive, and also less waste disposal.
Another sustainable technology that can counter the problem of construction waste is BIM, which stands for Building Information Technology. Building Information Technology is a software that generates a process that creates and manages information of a construction project across project life cycle. But how can the software help reduce the construction waste? The critical point that makes the software crucial to help reduce waste from being produced is that the software makes a very clear and specific information that help contractor plan the whole construction without any major mistake that will cause a waste from being produced, such as VO, which stands for Variation Order. If there is any waste, it will not be a major waste and will be a minor waste. Next, the software helps generate a path and information that can lead to green building initiative. There is a lot of advantages for using this software, but the main point is that it will help contractors to reduce construction waste as small as possible.
The next solution is type brick or smart brick. Type brick is a construction technology where a smart brick which look and function similar to Legos. These smart bricks are promoted as being able to use in any situation from bridge to building and in any location. This brick will be specially designed to meet your specific building criteria and specification. Smart brick only require a little machinery in the process of attaching the Legos brick. This system even has conveniently removable finish face, eliminating the needs to cover, prep, paint or wallpaper any additional walls. Smart brick technology require less work at site, which lead to less noise produced. The sound that can be eliminated from the smart brick technology are sound from machineries and manual labor. Smart brick not just reduce noise level but also contribute to less time and workers at site.
Next solution is by applying ICF, which it stands for Insulating Concrete Forms. Insulating concrete forms are molds for holding fresh concrete that are left in place permanently to insulate the structure they enclose. It results in cast-in-place concrete walls that are sandwiched between two layers of insulation material. These systems are strong and economical with energy. Low-rise structures with purposes ranging from residential to industrial are typical examples of this type of construction. By using this technology, it can help in reducing the production of dust, such as PM10 that contains chemicals typically from concrete, cement, wood, stone, silica during the construction activities, as the construction process does not require so much materials as much as by using traditional technology and method. Not only it helps in air pollution control, it also helps in so many other ways, such as reducing costs because it is less expensive, faster and easier to construct, lightweight for easy shipping and erection, and others.
Next, solution of land pollution, we can use erosion control blankets as known as ECB. ECB are typically biodegradable open-width blankets that provide temporary cover and support for establishing vegetation on bare soil areas. ECB helps to maintain the soil that is covered and prevent landslides and soil erosion from happening. ECB can protect soil from the impact of precipitation and also the overland flow and retain the moisture to facilitate establishment of vegetation. When sites use erosion control blankets, the vegetative layers absorb the energy of the rain as it hits them. By doing so, they reduce the velocity of the subsequent runoff. The slower, less forceful runoff carries away only a small amount of sediment.
In summary, this assignment has explored how construction causes significant air, dust, land, and waste disposal pollution. Even while waste cannot be totally avoided, the amount of waste may be kept to a minimum level with all the sustainable technology that we have suggested. Because the majority of building waste is non-renewable material, a skilled engineer must have the sustainability imprinted in their minds so that the natural resources is prevented from being depleted. Contractors can create a pre, during, and post plan to prevent any errors that will increase waste and pollution with the help of the sustainable technology. In a nutshell, engineers have to be innovative and find a new sustainable way to do construction with less waste and pollution generated to help save the environment from pollution and natural resources from being depleted. As the environment is one of the important aspects that engineers have to conclude in their mind before starting any construction. That's all from us. Thank you.